Introducing the first-time Softee Lover, a powerful, plushy soft, lightweight vibe with a soft swirled sleeve made from hygienically superior and durable TPE. The removable sleeve fits over the vibe, made from a safe and pure hard plastic material. It's 5 inches long and 1¼ inches wide. This makes it the perfect size to slip into your purse for fun anytime. This Softee vibe can be used to stimulate any part of your body. Use your imagination, and your first time won't be your last. It's easy to use. Just twist the end cap to change the multi-speed vibrations. This Softee vibe uses 2 AAA batteries and comes in pastel pink or purple. The first-time Softee Lover is also waterproof for fun in or out of the water. To increase your pleasure, be sure to use a quality lube like California Exotic Novelties Universal Lube. And don't forget to clean your Softee Lover with California Exotic Novelties brand Universal Toy Cleaner. With a first-time Softee Lover, you'll never forget your first time.